welcome back. I am Nisha and today I have come up with this half cut crease look. It's a Lotus Petal cut crease look, which is a mauvish pink eye look with a soft pink cut crease. I really love this eye look, and if you do enjoy this video, then please do not forget to hit the like button, and please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll also be listing all the products that I'll be using for my looks in the description box below, so do check it out. And now without further ado, let's get into the video and let's begin. The contact lenses which I'm using for this eye look is the Fresh Look contact lenses in the shade Pure Hazel, and for my eyelashes I have used the PAC tapered eyelashes in number 54. So I've already prepped and moisturized my skin very nicely, and for primer I'm taking the NYX Makeup Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer, and I'll be applying it on my cheeks, on my jaws, on my nose and on my forehead. Now moving to my eyebrows, I'll be first combing my eyebrows in the upward motion with the help of the spoolie, and I'll be taking my Nykaa Wow My Brow eyebrow palette to fill in my brows, and I'll be using these two shades and mixing them to fill in my brows. So once again I'll be combing my eyebrows with the help of the spoolie to get that natural finish. Now I'm going to take the MAC Studio Finish SPF 35 concealer and I'll be applying it on my lid. It is not only going to even out my lid, but also I'm going to use this as the base for my eyeshadows. To set my eyelids, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. So today I'll be creating my eye look using this beautiful and one of my favorite palette from Makeup Revolution. It's the Makeup Revolution Soph Ultra Eyeshadow palette, which has 24 beautiful shades including shimmers as well as mattes. So first I'll be taking my blending brush and I'll be taking this nude peachy shade, and I'm going to apply it in my crease, and this is going to be my transition shade. Next I'm taking this matte pink color from the palette and I'm applying it just below the crease. I'm going to layer up this shade until I get the desired intensity of this pink. Now I'll be taking my Pro Arte PF13 brush and I'll be picking up the same nude peach shade from the palette, and I'll be applying it again on my crease so that I get a good blend of colors and I get a proper gradient of colors on my eyelids. Now taking the Pro Arte P23 brush, I'll be picking up this deep shimmery purple shade from the palette and I'll be applying it on the corners of my eyes, and I'll also be blending it just below the crease. Now again I'll be picking up the same matte pink shade from the palette and I'll be blending it again on my crease line. Now I'm going to take some Garnier Micellar water on this Q-tip and I'm going to clean up my lids first. Now using a flat brush, I'll take some concealer and apply it on the cleaned area on my lids. And here I am using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer for my cut crease. Now I'll be taking this shimmery baby pink shade from the palette and using another flat brush, I'll be applying it from the inner corner of my eyes to the center of my lid. Next I'm taking the same shimmery purple shade from the palette and I'll again be applying it on the corner of my eyes, and this time I'll be blending it along with the baby pink shade which I had applied on the eyelid. Next I'm taking the shimmery cream shade from the palette and I'll be using it to highlight the inner corner of my eyes and also my brow bones. Next I'm going to apply a very thin and small winged eyeliner, and for which I am using my Nykaa Black Magic liquid eyeliner in Super Black. Next I'll be moving to my base, and for which I'll be using my L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hour Stay Fresh Foundation, and I'll be mixing it with the Maybelline New York Master Strobing Cream. I'm using a damp beauty sponge to blend my foundation to get that sheer and flawless look. For my dark circles, I'm going to take the peach corrector from the NYX Professional Correct and Conceal palette, and I'm going to blend it all with a small mini beauty blender sponge. Again, I'm going to take my M.A.C Studio Finish SPF 35 concealer to hide my under eye dark circles and also highlight my under eyes. Now I'm taking the Maybelline New York Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder to set the foundation and concealer so that they do not move and stay for a long time. I'm also using this same loose powder to highlight my under eyes. For contouring my face, I'm using this dark shade from the Makeup Revolution Pro HD Powder Contour Palette. For contouring my nose, I'm going to use my Pro Arte PF14 brush. Next, I'm taking my Flower Beauty Forever Wear Long Wear Eyeliner in the shade Onyx to tightline my waterline. Again, I'll be taking the same purple shade from the palette, and I'll be taking a pencil brush and I'll be applying it on the lower lash line from the outer corner to the middle of the lower lash line. Now I'm adding the baby pink shimmer in the inner lower lash line. Now using my PAC 106 brush, I'll be blending both the eyeshadows on my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to take my Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara and I'm going to apply it on my lower lashes as well as on my upper lashes. For blush, I'm using the Color Bar Cheek Illusion blush in the shade Pink Pinch. Now taking my Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter and using my PAC 045 brush, I'll be highlighting the high points of my face, like my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and a bit on my upper lip line. And now I'm going to set my makeup using the NYX Professional Dewy Finish Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. And finally, moving to the lipsticks, I'm using the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipsticks in the shade Spoiler Alert. Now to add a bit of glossy finish to my lips, I am using the MAC lip gloss in the shade Nymphite. So guys, now I'll be back in a while after applying my lashes. So yeah guys, that's the finished look, and I hope you liked the video, and if you did enjoy it, please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more such videos. So guys, see you all with a brand new video. Until then, take care, love you all, bye.